I'm in front of my house. I'm gonna ring your damn bell. Please be up or flap. Okay? Be up. Be up. Alright? Coming in now. Ring your bell. You better buzz me in. Hope you're up. I hope you're up. Today is school day. Today is school day. You better be up. Okay? Alright? I'm gonna check my mail. That's the first thing I gotta check. Alright?